Hello and welcome to Mojo 4 Industry News this week. A weekly round-off of all the top stories of the Indian industry. The top industry news of this week are: Ultraviolette to set up motorcycle facility in Bengaluru. TVS motor-backed electric vehicle EV startup Ultraviolette announced a manufacturing facility in Bengaluru with the target of selling its performance motorcycles in the market in the next 6 months. Spread over 70,000 square feet of land at Electronics City in Bengaluru, the new plant will have an annual capacity of manufacturing 120,000 vehicles. India, ADB signed $300 million loan to expand rural connectivity in Maharashtra. The Asian Development Bank (ADB) and the Government of India signed a $300 million loan as additional financing to scale up improvement of rural connectivity to help boost rural economy in the state of Maharashtra. The additional financing for the ongoing Maharashtra Rural Connectivity Improvement Project will help improve an additional 1,100 rural roads and 230 bridges for a total length of 2,900 kilometers in 34 districts. The ongoing project with $200 million financing, approved in August 2019, is already improving and maintaining the condition and safety of 2,100 kilometers of rural roads across Maharashtra. According to an official statement, this additional financing will rebuild and rehabilitate roads and bridges in Maharashtra destroyed by the devastating floods in August 2019. The design incorporates flood and climate resilience measures, pilot test the use of environment-friendly materials on selected road segments, use of mobile mapping technology to monitor the project roads and utilize new technologies such as fiber-reinforced concrete and precast concrete arch bridge. Cabinet approves procurement of 56 C-295 MW transport aircraft for Indian Air Force. Cabinet Committee on Security approved the procurement of 56 C-295 MW transport aircraft from Spain's Airbus Defence and Space for the Indian Air Force. C-295 MW aircraft is a transport aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity with contemporary technology that will replace the aging Avro aircraft of IAF. The aircraft has a rear ramp door for quick reaction and para-dropping of troops and cargo. 16 aircraft will be delivered in flyaway condition from Spain within 48 months of signing of the contract, and 40 aircraft will be manufactured in India by Tata Consortium within 10 years of signing of the contract. This is the first project of its kind in which a military aircraft will be manufactured in India by a private company. All 56 aircraft will be installed with indigenous electronic warfare suite. The project will give a boost to aerospace ecosystem in India, wherein several MSMEs spread over the country will be involved in manufacturing of parts of the aircraft. Government forms panel to frame new drugs, cosmetics or medical devices. The central government has formed a panel to review the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940 and come up with a new law to regulate drugs, cosmetics and medical devices in the country. The newly formed 8-member panel, headed by Drug Controller General of India, Dr. V.G. Somani, is expected to submit the draft document by November 30. According to the internal order, accessed by Mojo 4 Industry, the government has decided to constitute a committee for framing preparation of new drugs, cosmetics and medical devices bill so that new Drugs, Cosmetics and Medical Devices Act can be framed. The order, titled Constitution of Committee for Framing of New Drugs, Cosmetics and Medical Devices Act, said, the committee shall undertake pre-legislative consultations and examine the present act, previously framed drugs and cosmetics bills and submit a draft document for the novo Drugs, Cosmetics and Medical Devices Bill by the 30th of November. Schneider Electric India Foundation partners with Shri Shri Rural Development Program Trust to set up training center at Bangalore. Schneider Electric India Foundation, the social commitment arm of Schneider Electric India and Shri Shri Rural Development Program Trust, launched their first advanced training center. Global spiritual leader and founder of the Art of Living Shri Shri Ravi Shankar inaugurated the training facility. With this partnership, Schneider Electric India Foundation and Shri Shri Rural Development Program Trust aim to train over 1,400 youth by 2025 in the areas of electric distribution, renewable energy, home, and building. Commenting on the occasion, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar said, skilling is very important to counter unemployment in India. In countries like Germany, skilling is embedded in the education system. With that, it's wrap on today's industry news this week. Before concluding, I have something important to share. As India fights back COVID, physical exhibitions are making a comeback. We are going to witness the mega event on renewable energy REI Expo 2021 on the 15th to the 17th of September at India Expo Center, Greater Noida. Mojo 4 Industry is the sole Mojo partner for this international exhibition. We look forward to see you there. Let's reconnect.
Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.